Alright, I'm going to do another video on skill 31, estimating products, multiplying by two-digit numbers. So this one is the same type of problem they're asking you to estimate. Remember in the last video, we talked about approximating or estimating are synonyms, and they're basically asking you to probably round and give an answer that's about the answer, not the exact answer. So let's read the information. It says round the first factor to the nearest 10. So right off the bat, they give you a vocabulary word, a factor. Like I said, we talked about a factor times a factor equals a product or a multiple. That's actually on our vocabulary wall at school. You can have a factor times a factor equals a product. Another way you can say it is multiple. Quick example, 3 times 5 is 15. The factors are 3 and the factors are 5. And the product is 15. Product is the answer to a multiplication problem. 15 is the multiple of 5. 15 is a multiple of 3. So all those vocabulary words you can kind of use interchangeably. Anywho, round the nearest factor to the nearest 10. Our steps are mark our place, the nearest tens place is there. Step 2 is look next door. It's a 3. 3 is 4 below. That means you just don't go. So it rounds down to 50. Let's do the other one. Mark our place. Now this is a little bit tricky. We're either going to be doing 360 or 350. Remember, we're still rounding to the nearest tens place. Mark our place. It's a 5. Look next door. Step 2. Next door is a 5 as well. So 5 or above, you give it a shove. So this is going to round up to 360. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm wrong. This is to the nearest hundreds place. Miss Lee did not read all the way. I just assumed. Don't assume. Look, I made a mistake on the video. What's the lesson? Read. 355 is either going to be 300 or 400. All right. Mark your place. This time it's the hundreds place, which is a 3. Step 2, look next door, which is a 5. We're still going to round up. So it rounds up to 400. 5 and above, you give it a shove. And then multiply. So I'm not quite sure what 50 times 400 is, but I know 5 times 4 is 20. So I'm going to write down my 20. And then I'm going to just match up my extra zeros that I did not use. There's 3 of them. So the answer is 20,000. All right. Glad I made that mistake. So I made it, so now you don't have to.